Howdy, howdy. I just wanted to show you a trade that AXX posted that we could have all entered and made a shit ton of money. So have a look at this as GRT. GRT's been going sideways in this range for a long, long time, right? So let's bring up a little date range finder. So for the last 644 days, it's been trapped in this weekly box and it's just cracked and closed above, which is extremely bullish on GRT, and then like it could go freaking so high, really, really fast from here. So, well, how would we have got in? How would we have known this? So if we go back to the daily time frame, these lines are the weekly border where that range was. So you go to the daily time frame, and as it got to here, it was going down, steps down, so lower highs and lower lows, which means the market structure going down, which means that it's just the price is going down. You're not going to get into a trade then because you're going to lose your money, right? But it bottoms out here. It finds some support here. Okay, fair enough. Whatever. That's just an equal support there to that. Then it creates a high low. You're like, all right, there's something going on here. So then that's when you need your little spidey senses are pricking up. See that there was the last high. That there was the last high. So now we've got a high and a high low. Okay, so if it ever breaks above this high again, that one, if I mark that properly, then it's made a high and a high low. Market structure is completely changed. So you could have got in to this trade right when that candle closed, which even the second one there. So if you had to put my little tool here, so go up to here and it's still running, like it's freaking going nuts. So that's a 7.25 trade already, and that's on the daily time frame. So you only have to check this once a day and you could have got in here. You always put your stop loss below previous market structure. And if it ever closed back below this thing, you would just get out because it's no good. And then the way to find out whether this is just a bullshit is you can put your fibs on here. Say if it retraced from there, right where it is now, it would only be able to trace between the 382 and the 618. Before that is not a retracement for a further up. It's going to be a downward move. So once it comes back down, if it went further lower than the 618, you'd get out well above your stop loss. If not, it would just do this, come down, find some sort and keep going. So, it's just like a smooth, easy transition trade. But what's even more exciting, if you take away the fibs, if you went down to the hourly and say, where could I find a trade on the hourly? Like knowing what I just know, I started on the higher time frames. Okay. Well, when it creates, it's broken this here. So it's broken this zone. It's made a higher position, high, low, high. So on the daily, so you could get in anywhere here and put your stop loss below previous market structure on the hourly. That's a 12.9% trade already. Actually, it's more than that. 13% trade there. Or the next entry you could have got in was here with your previous market structure below here, which is a 20 to 1 trade. It's freaking ridiculous. And if you just bought spot, which means you're not leverage trading, so you don't have a risk to reward, you just have this. So let's try that again. You could have put it there. You could have bought on the daily. Right when it said there, let's just bring this up again. You're up 61% on a spot trade. So you've made, like you're getting on to making double your money, but you made 60% of your money just from buying here, from following that change of market structure. And now that it's broken the weekly on the weekly time frame, it's like it's definitely going to go to at least here, right? If it smashes that, then it's going to go to each and every level. This doesn't show everything because it's from Bybit. We'd have to go into Binance to see the full history. But now that it's broken that massive sideways consolidation, this thing's going to go freaking parabolic. And that would have been the best entry. So Oh, it's just so cool. So this is how we find them entries. These are these ranges we should look for. So I'm going to do a lot more on these and a lot more videos on these. Just wanted to let you know, like, these are how these trades are made. This is what AXX is coaching in MTC, the platform I learn in. And I can show you, once you learn this, how to leverage these skills to trade a prop firm account, which is a funded account, and make a shit ton of money. So then you can invest that money into more cryptocurrency doing the same thing on spot, which means you own the asset instead of just betting on it, whether it's going to go up and down, and make a freaking killing. So pretty cool. Let me know what you think about that, whether that's helpful or not, and we'll go from there. I'm keen to see how you're all going. So cool. Stop sharing that bad boy and catch us up.